Today we're trying Mr. Beast cookies. We found this at Walmart. And now I'm gonna try it. Ooh. Okay. Nah. I need sprinkles. Beep boo, da beep boo. Hello? We need sprinkles. Please. Okay, thank you for on the house. And icing too. Thank you! That would be $0. Please. Cookie. This cookie tastes nice. Get me icing and sprinkles. Doesn't he have $1 million? And you can't make a decent cookie?
You said it wasn't good.
Cookie with little mama. Cookie with little mama. It just needs a girl's touch, you know. Mr. Beast did a bad job on this. But don't worry, icing fixes everything. Take notes, Mr. Beast. Hopefully he sees this. See that, Mr. Beast? All better! Let's try it. That's really good. I'm gonna name it the Little Mama Beast Cookie. You're welcome.
What's wrong?
How much money was these?
$5.
For just tiny cookies? Wow, Mr. Beast, make these things a lot of money. Do you think Mr. Beast has a private jet or airplane?
Yes.
Hopefully he tells his subscribers to move on to our channel. Please, Mr. Beast.